Howdy everyone. Everything which you do in your life that makes a difference. Everything what I do that also makes a difference. But why do we do these all activities? This is the first question. I do daily lots of tasks because they all are connected with my burning desires. So if I have the desire that motivates me get going, that motivates me to get moving forward, but behind of this desire there's a one more thing which makes me in my field better, and that is discipline. If desire motivates you get going, it motivates you to get going, so there's a discipline which motivates you to keep going. If discipline makes you, motivates you to keep going, it means you are the guy who is making the difference. And discipline is the bridge which connects your present state with the future state, with your future dreams. Whatever you dream, they all come through your burning desires. But these desires only motivate you to get going. Later on, discipline which approaches that motivates us to keep going. And that is the crucial part of our life. It is really important, it is really urgent that we need to understand why discipline is important, how discipline plays a beautiful role in everybody's life who has the burning desire. There are three things which I want to tell you, that these three things relate to discipline. There are three types of discipline. First, preventative, it means preventive. Second is supportive, and third one is corrective. You may have seen when, or you may have felt also when I used to go to school. So whenever we would get any free class, there we would become mischievous, we would do lots of shenanigans. So for preventing us from doing these sorts of shenanigans, there was the preventative strategies. These strategies used to prevent us from doing any kind of shenanigans. Second, supportive discipline. It supports us when we especially are gonna do something bad. So it supports us to make something different. It diverts our mind and makes you do different activities. And if these strategies we keep in our mind every day, so we are connecting our this state with the future dreams. And of course, people say may your dreams come true, and I just assure you, your dreams will come true, and they have started coming true if you follow this chart. Third one is corrective discipline. This discipline pushes bad things ahead. It means it removes it, and whatever we have made it, so we try to correct it. We just removed bad things, and this corrective discipline makes us do lots of activities which really make us do right, and it takes us to the right path. But how these all disciplines, means three parts of this discipline, can work? when there's a consistency, where you make the practice. People say practice makes the man perfect. I don't agree. Practice never makes a man perfect. And why men? Why a man? Why not a woman? Why not women? Perfect practice and regular practice. It means perfect and regular practice makes everybody perfect. So, how I got this knowledge? A piece of knowledge I got when I kept practicing and I kept correcting it. If I practice wrongly and if I keep practicing, it means I am making the wrong statement in my life. That will not connect me with my future dreams. And if I want to make the bridge which should connect me with my future dreams, so it can be done when I make regular and perfect practice, and which can come through my three disciplines. Three types of disciplines are there. And if I just combine these all, if I align, so I know very well I can reach my future dreams. So whenever you want to feel that something is missing, so that must be your burning desire. But behind your burning desire, there's a discipline which we need to follow every day. If we follow your discipline, so you are gonna reach your future dreams soon. Because you have stepped one, and one step equals thousands of steps. Thank you guys for listening to me. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel. Have a nice time ahead.